Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video, yes, another look. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning and my new subscriber. I appreciate you guys for keep on supporting me. May God bless you all. So with that being said, let's just continue with the video. See you guys on my next video. Bye. So I'm just applying my hair again. I'm trying to create something. I don't know the look I want to, but I want to do something. So just apply the concealer. So I'm using my Sanpchat buttercup for me not to get crazy on my link. So just apply a little bit. So I just take from this shade here. So I'm done blending that color. So I'm using for Revolution. So I'll be using this color here, this dark chocolate color with the same brush. So I'll be doing the same thing the other side. So I'm using from this glitter. So I just use it for the bone eyebrow. Think it's too much. Oh. I'll be using the elegant concealer to cut the crease. Just tap a little bit on my hand, back of my hand. So I'm blending it with the same brush which I used before. So I'll be trying this pink color. Let's see how it works. If not, I will change it to another color. So let me try it. I think it's good, it's better. Not pink, red. So I add a little bit of the color to make here a little bit brighter. So I'll be trying this 2-in-1 eyeliner. So it's also glue and also eyeliner. So I saw it in adverts in Instagram, and also I saw it in this big YouTuber which I forgot her name on Instagram. She was also trying it, so it worked for her. So I decided to like search if I would get it in shop. So luckily I got it in shop. So I asked the seller if it's really working the way they said it, the way I'm seeing it. She said it's better to try than not to try. So that is when I bought two. So that is what I'll be trying now with you guys. I was very careful not to gum my eyes. So the first part I was like very careful to apply it and to put my lashes. Try to not to make mistake, because if you glue your eyes is a big problem. You need to cover blast them. So I put the lashes. I try to like force it out if it will disappear just like that. But so luckily it was super good and it gum very well and it's very easy. So that is it. For the second one, the second one was a little more better. It was not that strange, so it was so fast for me to put my lashes. That is it. See you soon. So I will leave you guys to continue watching. Enjoy the music that go with the video. See you soon. So this is the final look of this video. This is the final look of this eyeshadow look, you know. So I tried playing everything around, so it gave me the look I needed. So that is the final look of this video, of this tutorial. If you know you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and see you guys all my next videos. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.